Hi everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today we are going to be looking at how to graph when the equation is in x-intercept form. Before we continue to look at how to graph, let me ask y'all to please subscribe, comment any math video requests you have, and like the video. Also join the Teams chat. It's a brand new community, and yeah, I provide free math help there. So you'll usually have an equation that looks like y equals a times x minus p times x minus q. That p and the q, those are your two x-intercepts. So those are also called zeros. So they can also be written as p comma 0 and q comma 0. So what you're going to do in order to graph these equations is you're going to find the vertex. And in order to find the vertex, you're going to have to add the x-intercepts and divide by 2. So in other words, you're finding the average of the x-intercepts. And let me kind of just show you a visual of what that means. So say you had this graph, right? And you had those two x-intercepts, the vertex is going to be halfway between those two x-intercepts. So what you're essentially doing is you're finding the distance between the two x-intercepts. And the way to do that is you add those 2 points and then you cut it in half because it's like the midway point. So that's kind of the visual that I want you to think about when you think about x-intercepts and the vertex. Take this example. F of x equals 2 times x plus 1 times x plus 5. Your x-intercepts are at -1 and -5. Remember, you want to look at the parentheses. And whatever those values are, you want to take the opposite of those values. So inside our parentheses, we see a plus 1. So we know our x-intercept is going to be at -1. And we see a plus 5, so we know our other x-intercept is going to be at -5. And divided by 2. That's going to give us -6 divided by 2 is going to be -3. Okay, so that's the h value of your vertex, right? Because vertex is written as h comma k. So now to find the k value, you're just going to plug that -3 back into the equation for x. And we're going to do the algebra and we end up with -8. So your vertex is at -3, -8. Now plot that point on the graph and there you go. You have your graph. And that's how you graph in x-intercept form. If you guys want to see any more videos, please comment and subscribe, like the video. And thank you so much for watching.